Hello viewers and learners, welcome back to Scratch Programming. In today's class, I will show you one shooting game in which I'll use my right arrow key and left arrow key to move the gun and up arrow key to shoot the dragon. So let's see the game first. Okay, this is my dragon is coming. I am using up arrow key to shoot it. Okay, like this. And now I am using right arrow key and left arrow key to move my gun. So let me stop this. I'll show you the code now. So here we will start. First we will start with the costumes. Okay, so here you can see I have taken one magic wand. This magic wand I have taken over here, and then I have changed it from here. So from here you can select your magic wand, entire magic wand you can select, and after selecting it you can rotate it. Okay, you can rotate it like this. So I have rotated it, and from the fill color I have changed the fill color, and you can see my new magic wand. Okay, so I have changed the costume name also laser so that I can identify it at the time of coding. Now the second sprite that I have taken is that dragon. Okay, so here in this dragon you can see clearly, let me move it. Okay, so here few costumes are already available for that particular dragon. Dragon A, Dragon B and Dragon C. Now what I am doing, for normal flying of dragon I am using Dragon C only, and for that dragon what I have done, I have chosen any one of the dragon. You can choose any one of the dragon from here. For example, I am choosing this. Now first select this and delete it from here. I am deleting it. I hope it is visible clearly. Okay, so I have chosen and I have deleted it from here. Now I am choosing this and selecting my entire dragon and moving it like this. And after that what you can do, you can choose one part of the dragon and you can spread it like this, like that. Dragon is dead and it is going down. Okay, so in this way you can move the parts of the dragon. Okay, like this. So this is only this is the only way how we can create the dead dragon. So I have done this only. So this you can also do it very easily. So I have shown you the costume for this. Now the last, I have taken the lightning. In lightning also it is the normal lightning you can choose from the sprite, and I have just changed its color from this. Okay, now I'll show you the coding first. So this is the magic wand. Let me change it. Okay, so all the coding I have done in magic wand only, but I'll show you the code for the other things. Okay, here you can see I have done the magic wand code, the lightning code also. So in lightning, whenever I'll click the flag, whenever I'll start my game with the when I'll click the fan, what it will do, it will go to certain position, and if in any condition it will get hide, it will show again on the screen. Okay, now I'll show you the dragon thing. In dragon thing, what I am doing here, let me make it bigger. Okay, so in that dragon, what I am doing here, whenever flag is clicked, it will show first and it will set the score 0. You can see I have taken one variable here, score. How you can create the variable? Watch my video. If you have not watched my video earlier, I have posted one video how to create the variable, how to set it and how to use it in the game. So from here I have created 3 variables: score, shoot x and shoot y. So score you can see over here, shoot x and y we will discuss it later. Okay, so here I am setting my score to 0, and the initial position of my dragon, that will be -200 and 125, because I want that my the dragon sprite will move from here to there. Okay, so that's why I have set the initial position. Now whenever the program will start, at the starting point, always it's change its costume to dragon. See, I have shown you here also. I am using this costume every time. Okay, for normal flying of the dragon. So it will change its costume to dragon. See, and rotation style I have set left and right whenever it will touch the boundary, or it will rotate. Now change x by 10. What I want to move this dragon only in a straight line. I don't want to move it on the random position, only a straight line. So y position is not changing for this dragon, only x position is changing. Okay, so straight line means x position is changing only. Now it will change its x position, it will wait for few seconds, and if x position equals to 240, that means once it will reach to here at the corner, what it will do? Again it will set its x position to minus 200. That means again it will start from here and pointing direction 90 means it will look straight and start moving. Now lightning. So here you can see for the lightning, okay, we are using lightning to hit the dragon. Okay, so what will happen here? Whenever our lightning, this lightning will hit the dragon. So what will happen? We want that whenever the lightning will hit the dragon, the score will increase by 1 and the dragon will switch the costume to dead dragon. Here in dragon we have changed its costume, dead dragon. So I want whenever my sprite or the lightning will touch the dragon or hit the dragon, it will turn into the dead dragon and change y by minus 100 means if it is that lightning is hitting it. So what it will do? It will change the costume and it will come down till here. Okay. So that's why I am using change y minus by 100 means it will not move here. It will only come down only at the same position. Now it will wait for 0.5 second and again it will start from the same position because we are not ending this game anywhere. Our game will continue as long as you want it to play. Okay, so it will again start from the starting point. So this is the coding for the dragon. Initial setting, and after that it is moving position. Okay, always it will move to straight direction only. And what happen if the lightning will touch it or whenever our this lightning will hit the dragon. So whatever things we want to happen, we have put it in the same code under the if touching lightning. This I am using the sensing block. Okay, now the magic wand code. Magic wand coding you will see. Let me show you here. Okay, so here in magic wand coding you can see whenever we click the flag, what it will happen? It will switch the backdrop to this. If in any case if you are using game over or something, a different background you are using, so it will change the backdrop to stars. It will show the variable score. Okay, it will be visible, the score variable will be visible on the screen, and this magic wand also be visible on the screen with the show block, and then the initial position of our magic wand. Okay, the shooting gun, the initial position will come here, and then forever what it will repeat till the end of the program? This. Okay, so what it will repeat? If we are using right arrow key, it will move 10 steps, means it will move plus 10. Whenever we are using left arrow key, it will go minus 10 steps. Okay, this side. And now the up arrow key. I told you we are using 3 keys, left, right and up arrow key. Now what will happen if we are using up arrow key? So whenever we are using up arrow key, this lightning should go from here to upward direction. Okay, so what will happen if we will continuously press the up arrow key? So again and again it will start from here. So what we want? We want that it will create a duplicate copy every time whenever we are clicking that up arrow key, pressing that up arrow key. So that's why to create the duplicate copy of that lightning, we are using create clone. If you have watched my control blocks video, you will learn how to use the clone. So if you have not watched that video, go to the Scratch playlist and on my channel you will get that video very easily. Okay, now so create clone, what we are doing, whenever we are hitting the up arrow key, it will create the clone of lightning. Okay, from here I have selected, so it will create the clone of this lightning. And now we are setting the x and y position here. Why we are setting these two variables? Because we want that whenever we hit the up arrow key, every time this lightning should start from this magic wand only. Because if it is going up, we don't want that from anywhere it will start. What we want, whenever we hit the up arrow key, our lightning will start from the magic wand. So that's why what we are doing, we have created two variable x and y. In x we are taking the x position of magic wand, and in y we are taking the y position of magic wand. For example, our magic wand is here. Okay, sorry, give me a minute. My magic wand is here. So whatever the x position and y position of my magic wand, the same position will get set in the shoot x and shoot y. And in the lightning, whenever we are hitting the up arrow key, it will broadcast the message shoot. Now when the lightning will receive the message shoot, what it will do, it will change this y by 5, means we don't want to start from here, we want that it will start from here. Okay, so that's why this shoot y we are changing to y. And now this go to x, we are putting shoot x and shoot y, so that every time at the time of hitting the up arrow key, our lightning will start from this position after the magic wand. We are using go to back layer because we want that our magic wand will look upward and our lightning will go behind the magic wand. Okay, so this is how we can do the coding. And here I am using glide 0.15 second and shoot x. Okay, so from this position it will start changing its y and it will go till the end. See here. Okay, so here you can see our glide thing. So it will glide 0.15 second, means very quickly it will go up, and x will be the same, it should go in a straight line here. So that's why x will not change, only y will change to 280. Okay, only this position is changing, we are not changing this, we are changing this. So it will quickly go to the 280. Okay, so this is how we can do the coding for magic wand, dragon and lightning. So what we have done, first we have set the initial setting for each and every sprite, and slowly we can move the game and then we can set it. Okay, I'll show you one more time here this game. Now okay, this is our Scratch game. I am using this flag, clicking the flag, and it is shooting this, and you can see whenever it is hitting the dragon, the score is changing. Okay, so we have not set any final score limit here, so you can continuously play this game again and again. And because we have created the clone for the same and we put it in the forever, we can see that whenever we are clicking the up arrow key, we can see one lightning from down to up. Okay, so this is how we can use the score and we can create the shooting game. Now if you want to create a life in your program, if you want that your program will stop at certain point, so all these things we will do in the next video, and we will create a ping pong ball game in the next video. If you want to watch that video also, you can subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I'll post the next video. If you have any doubt in this video, you can post your doubts in comment section. So till then, have a nice day children. See you in the next class.